Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at our second basic shape, which is the circle or a circular shape, and this will be for the CAD feature. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head back into the program here. So now, like I mentioned in the previous video, we looked at the rectangle on our basic shapes, and today we're going to be looking at the circle. Now the circle is probably even more simple than the rectangle in many ways, other than getting a sure location on your design area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this one, and we're going to head on to the next little tool, which is the circle or circular icon. I'm going to click that, and then we're going to get just one option, which is pretty nice. So if we can see, it's D, and on our little preview we've got a D, so the diameter across, it will automatically do the width and height. Now let's say I go about 200 here, say OK, and then we place this. Then I'm going to leave this 0, 0, say OK, and then you guys can see we've got our circle. Now something to keep in mind, like I said, where it can be a bit more tricky, is that there was no option like with the rectangle to set our origin. So it will automatically do it to the center of the circle. So keep that in mind when you're working with it. If you want to have accurate placements, you have to take into account the distance from the left and the bottom, if you are aligning it with something at the bottom or the right, or the left or the top. So you must just work that accordingly, and then you can align it quite nicely. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the circle. Straightforward. Just to recap, we're just going to click the circle, then set the diameters, and then put single positioning for now, and click it on the canvas, choose where we want it, and then it will add the circle for us. Pretty handy. But yeah, otherwise in the meanwhile though, if we head to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.